In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a project. So go to the Projects tab, click on the Add a Project button. You get what I call a project charter. So for us, our project, we're going to develop a 1-calorie beer. We don't have any customers set up yet, and we don't have any templates set up yet. I'll walk you through those later. No parent projects to establish. We need beer without calories. It's a good project description. Problem is, there is no beer without calories. Goal, self-explanatory. Scope, beer development is in scope. We'll say marketing is out of scope. Figure if we develop a good 1-calorie beer, we don't have to worry about marketing. With the team, you in this field you can list team members. This is not connected to workers. This is just as a reminder to yourself, or if anybody picks this up to see who's on the project. This is a quick way of seeing who's on it. I click on the Add Project button, and there it is. It shows up in my project list. It'll also show up in my dashboard. If it's associated with a customer, it'll show up on my default screen for that customer. I don't have any tasks yet or discussions or anything else, but I do have a shell that we can add on now. I'm going to create another project just to show you for template purposes. This is useful if you like to create the same types of projects over and over. You tend to run the same types of things, whether your development schedule is very similar that you want to reproduce project to project, etc. Template, and we'll just leave it at that. You add a project, you go back into that project, hit the details, which basically takes you back to that screen you were just at. You can save it as a template, and I'll show you how powerful that is later when we're building schedules. But for now, just know you can save your project as a template, and it's going to take over everything that you've got in there. Other thing that I want to show you here is the project setup wizard. It walks you through some of the key tasks for running a project. I've got some updates to do to it, but if you walk through this checklist, it'll basically help you build out all the aspects of your project, from workers to schedule to client, your documents and discussions, etc.